Hey, if you're checking out this embroidery kit, let me give you some nudges to push you over the edge and just tell you the big positives about it that I didn't really realize everything about it until I had it. So let me show you what's inside. So of course you're going to get some pretty and detailed end products from this kit, but the big point of this kit is to really kind of help you learn. So it will take you from easy to difficult. So let me show you the templates that you get with the fabric. Easy, then it moves on to normal, then hard, and then we get to tough. If you get to that level, hey, you're definitely an expert at that point. So you can see the stitches that are marked out on here to give you quite an idea of how you're doing it, and plus you get to actually put them to use with these cute little food and farmhouse designs that are on the inside of these. But this is not where the directions stop. It's so much more comprehensive than that, which I think is just the big blessing of this. So each of these templates that you see with the fabric are also mirrored on these direction sheets with color, with a big design of the stitches, with the strands of color that you should use. And I will say that the strands of color in this are just really attractive, eye-catching. It's nice and thick. It's not the cheap stuff that's just going to pull apart really easily. So you've got all kinds of instructions with photos, so much more detail on here. Plus you've got codes and video links that are going to take you a whole lot more resources online. So this kit is really a launching pad if you or you want to give a gift to someone who is interested in learning how to do embroidery. It's really got everything in it. Plus it's got the easy mechanics too. It's got the needle puller, needles, small scissors, a hoop for you to be able to use, obviously the strands of the thread, and it's even got like a floss organizer here too. So everything's included. It does come with a nice box that just makes it a very easy gift to be able to wrap up, that someone's going to love being able to see everything that's in this and be especially excited if they're like, I've always wanted to learn how to do this, but I didn't know. This is going to take you through the whole journey to be able to do it. I love that everything is included. I love that it's comprehensive. I love that it takes you on a path from easy all the way up to hard and tough, and then you learn along your way to gain your confidence as you're doing it. So well thought out. I would really recommend this.